Hi, in this video we're going to set up a kind of front porch or front patio for this person's house. To do that, we are going to select the pencil tool, which is a line. It says line when you hover over it, and then click the line or pencil tool. And we want to get a side view for the house like this, or a front view. So we're going to get a front view. And we want to go over to the side, and notice without clicking, your mouse will naturally kind of click to the edge so you know you're on that line. I want you to move the pencil from the bottom up to about where you think that person's knees would be. Kind of like where the shins or knees would be. So about there. Click and let go. And then move your mouse all the way across. If it stays as a red line, that means it'll be a perfectly straight line. And it will naturally snap to the edge on this side, and then go ahead and click again and let go. Now we need to pull this porch patio out a little bit. So we're going to go to the push-pull tool and select push-pull. We're going to click and let go and drag this out. And you might want to move your camera a little bit. And I'll let you decide how long you want the porch or patio to be. I'm not going to make it too long. I'll drag it out to about there and then click and let go. And you can always zoom out and see how far out it is in relationship to the rest of your house and adjust it as you want. Now we're going to make some stairs leading up to this porch. To make the stairs, we're going to go over and select the rectangle tool. And out of all our shapes, select the rectangle. And now we're going to move our mouse without clicking and move it along this edge till it snaps into what we call the midpoint. You'll actually get a blue circle that shows you're in the middle. After you find the midpoint, I want you to move a little bit to the left. I'm going to move maybe about this far over. I'll show you a few times. Click and let go. And we're going to draw a rectangle on this edge. You can find your midpoint there, and we want to go about the same distance on the other side of the midpoint and then go up. This is where the stairs or steps are going to be, so make those steps and stairs as wide as you want. You can click and let go. If you want to make that area a little bit wider, remember you can go to your move tool, and you can click this line and stretch it in and out if you want to make your steps as wide or as narrow as you think they should be. Now we need to make 2 steps. To do that, we're going to go over to our line tool, which looks like a pencil, and click the line tool. And now we're going to zoom in even more on this little box we made. And I want you to put the pencil over on that left line and find the midpoint. When you find the midpoint, click and let go. Move your mouse over to the other side. Straight line should look red. And click at the other midpoint. And these are our 2 steps that now we're going to pull out with the push-pull tool. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can still see the person for scale. I'm going to select the push-pull tool. And I'm going to do the bottom step first. I'm going to go until that face is selected. I'm going to click once and let go. And move my mouse to drag that step out. Click and let go. Drag the second step out. Click once and let go. Click again and let go. And move your camera around. See if you like the position of the steps. You want to make sure each step is about equal. You can always push them in and out a little bit if you want. Maybe I want my steps to be a little bit longer. And just kind of get them where you want them. Now once you get them where you want them, we're going to delete this little line that's right here to clean up the look of this a little bit. So we're going to go to our eraser tool, which is the tool right underneath the arrow pointer. Click the eraser. And we're going to zoom in on the line over here. And click right on that line, and boom, it erases it for us. Erasing these extra lines is a good way to keep your design looking clean. So now we've made the base of a little front porch or patio and some little steps. In the next video, we're going to try to make a door in the front of the house.